Hi guys, this is how I look without makeup. And this is the look which I create with makeup.
We'll start with a primer. Prep your face with a primer which blurify all the open pores. Then apply foundation, or you can use BB cream. Blend it with a beauty blender so you can get a best results out of it. Doing eyebrows, make sure you do at the end. Use full coverage concealer so you can get a base for your eyeshadow and blend it well. Blend, blend and blend. Moving to our eyeshadow, I'm doing my eye makeup with a transition shade first to define my crease line, which make an illusion of my eye opening. I'm using a light brown eyeshadow here. You can use your favorite one. Now I'm using a dark brown for my eyelid and blending well with a blending brush. Now I'm taking a glitter shade in a green color to pop up some glitter glam look. Again, you can take your favorite color as per your color coordination. Blend it well so it can merge. I'm doing liner. A simple winged liner. Now simply mascara to make my lashes fuller. I'm applying my eyelashes because it's a glam look. I'm using a glue. You can use a tape of lashes also. I'm setting my face with powder and applying some highlighter on my inner corners of my eyes and some on my bridge of nose. Also, to add glam, I'm using highlighter on my cheekbones, or you can say upper cheekbones, blending with my fluffy brush. Now adding some blush to my cheeks, not too much but a little to get that color back. Now I'm filling my lip with lip liner. I'm obsessed with pink nudes nowadays, so it's one of my obsession. Now I'm applying a liquid lipstick and voila. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe. Until next time, bye.